I've found that I've collected quite a few bandsaw blades over the years, but finding a place to store them all has been a problem. Well, Bob Stanley from Van Wert, Ohio has the perfect solution. He just took a scrap piece of 2x2 that he found in his shop and drilled a series of 1/2-inch holes down the side. Next, he notched on the top of those holes, and it creates the perfect slot for holding bandsaw blades. So now with this mounted right next to my bandsaw, it's perfectly convenient to grab my blades when I need them.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this tip and you want to see more from Woodsmith, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be uploading woodworking videos and tips weekly. And trigger the bell, that way you get notified when we do upload those videos. Any links for plans or supplies we use for these projects will be down in the description. As always, thank you for watching.